Look, listen, and say.
Red light, what do you say? I say stop and stop right away. Yellow light, what do you mean? I mean slow down and wait for the green. Green light, what do you say? I say cook, but look both ways. Thank you. Red, yellow, green. Now we know what the traffic lights mean.
Watch the animation carefully. Why do you think the car stopped in the beginning?
What is that? That is a traffic light. What is it for? I'm not sure.
It tells us to do something. Let's listen to a rhyme about traffic lights.
Read the poem in Activity A. Write T for true or F for false. 1. There are 3 lights on a traffic signal. 2. The red light means slow down. 3. A yellow light means go. 4. A green light means both ways and go. The red light is between the other lights. The green light is under the yellow light. The lights on the traffic signal are triangles. Well done! Students, can you say, what is red light for? What is yellow light for? What is green light for? Correct the false sentences from Activity B. Write them in your exercise book. Example: a red light means stop. A yellow light means slow down. The yellow light is between the other lights. The lights on the traffic signal are circles. Do Activity C from your textbook.